Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem on Twitter. To know how to find the solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this page of app and for we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your